Listen to me very carefully today because today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. Some of you asked me a few days back that what is meant by 5-second rules. Most of us are not aware about this rule, basically that what is 5-second rule. So let me make you introduce with this 5-second rule, and please see this video till the last, because if you genuinely apply this rule in your life will definitely change. The success is guaranteed. Okay, so please see this video till the last, because today I'm going to tell you something very important. Now see, understand that our brain has been designed in such a way that it always protects us from risk. Okay, the programming of our mind, of our brain, has been made in such a way that it magnifies risk. It magnifies us, it protects us from doing the things that we are uncomfortable in doing. Okay, so let's take an example that you are sitting in a meeting, right? And the boss asks some question from you. You know the answer, but you hesitate in saying. You know why? Because in a second, what happens is, whenever there is any answer that you want to do, your brain signals the stress hormones. It activates the stress hormones. Because of that, the brain gets the hint that there is some stressful situation. So the brain again activates itself to protect you, to stop you from doing such activities. So the brain programs like this. The brain has been made like this. Okay, now this is the problem, guys. Okay, because if whatever comfortable things are we doing, it is not going to guarantee us success. We have always heard this thing that whenever you are out of your comfort zone, then the success is going to start for you. So for success, you need to get out of your comfort zone. Now this is a problem, because definitely every time our brain is going to protect us, right? How would we be able to do the things? How would we be able to take the risk, right? Now understand how it is going to work. The solution for this is very simple. It is the 5-second rule. Now, whenever any idea comes into your mind, anything that comes into your mind, and you resist that thing, so understand that the brain has been programmed and it is protecting you. Now, you need to overtrick the mind. You need to overtrick the brain. You need to act over smart now. How you can do it is, from the 5-second rules, whenever there is any idea come in your mind, let's take for an example that at 6 o'clock your eyes wake up, right? But you don't want to get up from the bed. Okay, so within 5 seconds, and you have to count it backward, in a backward manner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So understand, there is the part of the brain which is protecting you. Now what it is the habit. It basically, this part of mind is the habit part. Okay, now whenever this situation, these hormones are creating its impact, but when you count it for like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you are not given the chance to your brain to think about this situation. You are diverting your mind to the counting, to the 5-second rule, and you're not giving the chance to your brain to think about it. Because if the brain thinks about it, then the stressful situation, the stress hormones will release. Okay, so you're saying 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So within 1, the mind function will come to the prefrontal cortex. And so understand that prefrontal cortex is it's that part of your brain which is active, which makes you to take the steps that you want to do. It is that part of the brain which makes you to take the steps, the ideas that you want to take for yourself. Okay, so basically in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 counting, you are not letting your brain telling you that this is the stressful situation. You're directly converting it to the prefrontal cortex. Okay, that part of the brain which tells you that yes, you have to go for this idea, and always do this counting backward, in a backward manner. Okay, and it will always work. It will always work. So this is the programming of the mind. Your mind and your brain will stop you. You have to tell your brain that no, I'm not going to step, applying this 5 seconds rule. Now, understood all of you? I hope that I have been able to make you understand this 5-second rule. So whenever any idea comes into your mind, quickly take that, convert that idea into action. Okay, and I have told you the trick how you can make this idea into action within 5 seconds. Okay, so understand these are the short things, short tricks, short time, everything short will is going to change your life in a long way. Understood my point? Okay, thank you so much all of you.